Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about something important. We will talk about how to learn English. Learning English can be fun, it can be easy if we do it right. So, I will share some tips with you. First, let me tell you a story. When I was young, I did not know English. I felt scared, but then I started to listen to stories in English. I listened every day. You learn how to say them, and you learn how to use them. So, listen to English every day, listen to stories, songs, or even the news. It helps a lot. Now, let's talk about practice. Practice makes perfect, they say, and it is true. When I was learning, I practiced every day. I spoke in English, even if I made mistakes. Mistakes are okay, they help you learn. So, don't be afraid. Speak English every day. Another tip is to read. Reading is a good way to learn. You can start with simple books. Books with pictures are great, they help you understand the story. As you read, you learn new words. You also learn how to use them in sentences. Once, I read a story about a cat. The cat was lost. It was a simple story, but I loved it. I learned many new words from that story. The more I read, the better my English became. So, read as much as you can, it will help you a lot. Writing is also important. When you write, you use the words you know. You learn to put them together. Start by writing small things. Write about your day, write about your family, write anything you like. The more you write, the better you get. When I was learning, I had a small notebook. I wrote in it every day. I wrote about my school, my friends, and my dreams. I made many mistakes, but I learned from them. Writing helped me a lot, it made me more confident. Another tip is to watch English videos. Watching videos is fun. You can watch cartoons, movies, or even shows. When you watch, you hear how people speak. You learn how to say words correctly, and you also learn new words. I remember watching a cartoon about a dog. The dog was very funny. It made me laugh, but I also learned new words from the cartoon. Watching it helped me understand English better. So, watch as many videos as you can, they are very helpful. Talking to people is also a good way to learn. If you have friends who speak English, talk to them. Practice with them. If you don't have any, you can find people online. There are many people who want to learn English just like you. They can help you practice. I had a friend who spoke English very well. We talked every day. Sometimes, I made mistakes, but my friend helped me. She corrected me. Talking to her helped me a lot. I learned new words and how to use them. So, find someone to talk to, it will help you a lot. Another important thing is to be patient. Learning a new language takes time. It does not happen in one day. So, be patient with yourself. Do not give up. Keep trying, even if it is hard. Remember, every small step counts. I remember feeling sad when I could not understand something, but I did not give up. I kept going. Slowly, I got better. I learned more and more. So, always remember to be patient, you will get there step by step. Now, let's talk about using a dictionary. A dictionary is your friend. It helps you understand new words. When you find a word you don't know, look it up. Learn what it means, learn how to say it, and then try to use it in a sentence. I used to carry a small dictionary with me. Whenever I came across a new word, I looked it up and made an effort to use it. This approach helped me expand my vocabulary significantly. Always keep a dictionary handy, it will be incredibly useful. Another helpful tip is to play games in English. They're enjoyable and allow you to learn naturally without it feeling like studying. There are plenty of games designed to teach English effectively. The player with the most words won. It was a fun way to learn, and I picked up many new words from the game. So, play games in English, it's an enjoyable way to learn. Try to think in English as well. It may be challenging at first, but it's very beneficial. Thinking in English helps you practice your skills, enabling you to use the words you know and form sentences more quickly. When I was learning, I began thinking in English. Initially, it was difficult. I had to translate everything in my mind. However, over time, it became easier, and eventually, I started thinking in English effortlessly. Try thinking in English, it will help you improve. Another tip is to set goals. Goals keep you focused and give you something to work towards. Begin with small goals. For instance, aim to learn 5 new words daily or read a page from a book each day. As you accomplish these goals, you'll feel a sense of pride, which will motivate you to keep progressing. I also set small goals when I was learning. My initial goal was to learn 10 new words every week. Afterward, I set a goal to read a book in English. Achieving these goals brought me joy and proved that I was improving. Set goals for yourself. They can be incredibly helpful. It's also beneficial to review what you've learned, as reviewing helps you remember things more effectively. Review your notes, reread your past writings, or listen to the same story once more. The more you revisit, the better your memory will be. I made it a habit to review my notes every week. I read them over and over. This helped me remember what I learned. It also helped me see how much I had improved. So, take time to review, it will help you a lot. Another important thing is to stay positive. Learning a new language can be hard, but if you stay positive, it becomes easier. Believe in yourself, you can do it. When you feel down, remember why you started. Keep your goal in mind. I had times when I felt like giving up, but I stayed positive. I told myself that I could do it, and I did. Staying positive helped me a lot. So, always stay positive, it will help you reach your goal. Also, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Everyone makes them. When you make a mistake, don't feel bad. Learn from it, it will help you get better. I made many mistakes when I was learning, but I did not let them stop me. I learned from them, and I got better. So, don't be afraid of mistakes, they are your best teachers. Lastly, enjoy the journey. Learning English is a journey. It's full of new things to discover. Enjoy it. Have fun with it. The more you enjoy it, the easier it becomes. When I was learning, I enjoyed every step. I loved learning new words. I loved understanding new stories. Enjoying the journey made it fun, and it helped me learn faster. So, enjoy your journey, it will make learning English much easier.